What's good, guys? Welcome to today's video. So as you can see, today's video is going to be me doing a PC build. Got all the parts here. I went with a Rysen 2700X CPU. We got the 500 watt power supply. And the case is going to be a Cooler Master MasterBox Pro 5 RGB. And then we got the Gaming Plus B450 motherboard. Mods, purple and black, they're by Easy DIY. And a GeForce GTX 1060, 6GB graphics card. And we got a 1TB hard drive with a 250GB SSD. And then we got 2 sticks of 8GB Patriot Viper RAM, DDR4. So there's all the parts, and we're going to get into the build.
When I was 6 years old, I broke my leg. I was running from my brother and his friends, and tasted the sweet perfume of the mountain grass I rolled down. I was younger then. Take me back to when I found my heart, broke it, made friends and lost it through the years. And I've not seen the boring fields in so long. I know I've grown, but I can't wait to go home. I'm on my way, driving at 90 down those country lanes, singing to Tiny Dancer, and I with the way you make me feel. It's really watch the sunset over the castle on the hill. 15 years old, smoking and rolled cigarettes, running from the law through the backfields and getting drunk with my friends. Had my first kiss on Friday night. I don't reckon that I did it right. I was younger then. Take me back to when we found weekend jobs. When we got paid, we'd buy cheap spirits and drink them straight. Me and my friends have not thrown up in so long. Oh, how we've grown, but I can't wait to go home. I'm on my way, driving at 90 down those country lanes, singing to Tiny Dancer, and I with the way you make me feel. It's really watch the sunset over the castle on the hill. One friend left to sell clothes, and one works down by the coast. One had 2 kids but lives alone. One's brother overdosed. One's already on his second wife. One's just barely getting by. But these people raised me, and I can't wait to go home. And I'm on my way. I still remember these old country lanes when we did not know the answers, and
Alright guys, so that's going to wrap up the video. I really enjoyed putting this together, learning how everything goes together and just learning about each part. Now I'm ready to start upgrading some pieces. Right now, first step is going to be upgrading one of my monitors, because both of them are 60 Hz and I want to get one of them to 144 Hz, my main PC monitor. So that'll be the next step, but I'm going to enjoy it like this for a little while. And as you can see, the theme was kind of a Avengers with the things on the wall, and then the PC is supposed to be Hulk. So you got the little funk pop in there as the Hulk, and gonna get some green LED strips to light up the case a little more. Well, that's gonna do it. I appreciate you stopping by. Until next time, GG.